How to change direct deposit on UKG Pro. Follow the instructions. Open the UKG Pro app and log in using your company username and password to access your account. Tap the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen to open the main navigation panel. Scroll and select Myself, then tap on Pay from the available options in the drop-down menu. Under the Pay section, choose Direct Deposit to view and manage your bank account details. Tap Edit next to the existing account or select Add to add a new bank account for deposit. Enter your bank account number, routing number, account type, and deposit amount or percent. Review the entered details carefully and tap Save to confirm the changes to your deposit info. You'll see a confirmation message once your direct deposit update has been successfully submitted. Thank you for watching.